Hey friends, hey! Today I am going to be condensing my sinking funds envelope for Q1, so stick around for that. Alright y'all, thanks for clicking on today's video. So on the agenda for today, I am going to be doing my first cash condensing for Q1. That's what I'm going to do. I have about what, $500 here. I'm not going to count it because it's not an official cash stuffing. This is more or less me just exchanging some smaller bills for larger bills. So that is what I am going to do for today. Hopefully we can get through this video super quick. So let me just get into my high priority binder and see what kind of condensing I could do. So I have 3 10s and 3 5s, so I could do that. So this should be okay. This is good enough, or at least I think it's good enough. Okay, moving on into my household envelope. Let's see what we could do here. Those are okay. And I have, oops, you know what? I need to move this down a little bit for the 5s. So I'll take out 2 5s and put in a $10 bill. So we should have 40. Okay, so that is correct. $40 in there. Next up is my medical. Let's see what's going on here. The 10s are okay. I have, okay, could do 20. So let's do a 20. Right, okay. So we should have 45, and that is good. I'm wondering, I don't have 50 in any of them, but I do have a couple of $50 bills. I don't know. Okay, so 20, 30, 40, and 50. Okay, so I'll put 50 there, and I have 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So that's another 50, so I'll just put 100 because that's 100, right? Yeah. Okay, yeah. So this is 100, or this is 100 for road trips. Holy Days has $40. So I could go ahead and do that. Do I want to do that? Yeah, I'll do that. So 2 20s going back into Holy Days. Okay, next up I have my car maintenance. So car maintenance has 50, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. I'll do that and then put a solid 50 in here. Retirement has 50 also. How do I want to do this? I think I am going to keep the 3 10s and we'll do this because I have quite a bit of $10 bills, so I'll just do it that way. And that should be okay. The next time I do a condense, I'll try to get even bigger bills. Okay, next up is birthday, and birthday has 100 in it. I know that much, right? 20, 40, 60, 80, and 1. So I'll put the 100 here. should be good. The savings, I want to keep, I'll keep that. And then the challenge, I'll keep that. Let's see what's going on in miscellaneous. Miscellaneous has 45. Okay, so we could leave that, and then I'll put 2 10s. And that leaves us with 45 in miscellaneous. And Boss Babe, I think I did a little bit of condensing with this one off camera. Let me see if I could do a little bit more. This one has 45. I could go ahead and put a 10. And that is good. Yep. All right, so my high priority binder is done. That was super fast. Next up, I'm going to do lifestyle. Let's see if we could condense some of these. How are you guys doing, and how was your Q1? For me, I think Q1 was pretty good. The start was a little bit rough, but I think as I progressed, things got a little bit better. So I'll put a 10 here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So we're good. 35 here. Okay, moving on. So each of my children's envelope has 35 in it, so it's mostly taking a lot of 5s. Okay, we're good there. Okay, next up is Summer's envelope. Let's get into it. And Summer has, ooh, I forgot to put this one back. Which one did I, oh, this one is from Molly's envelope. Okay. And I'm on Summer's envelope. Okay, so she has 2 10s. I just need to put one in here. And that is good. So how are you guys enjoying your cash stuffing, budgeting journey so far? I know I already asked how your Q1 is going thus far. But are you guys feeling positive about your budgeting journey thus far? And if not, what are some of your obstacles that is stopping you from or hindering you from getting to that space where you need to get to in your financial journey? Because figuring out, okay, this one is good. School is good. Figuring out what the problem is can help you, can definitely help you to come up with a solution. I know my first year of cash stuffing was super hard. I was having such a hard time, and I was just so overwhelmed with the whole process. And yeah, it was just so overwhelming. Is that what I'm doing? Yeah, so we should have $90 in here. So that is good. Yeah, my first year was just not it. I think I gave up halfway through my first year of cash stuffing because I just, budgeting was difficult for me and it was just not working out, okay? So 10, 20, 30, and 40. So look at all these 5s, y'all. Look at all these 5s. A lot of 5s. But that just goes to show you, I was just stuffing what I could, and $5 at a time was all that I could stuff. And it, look at us now. we're condensing our envelope like hello. So 10, 20. So 25 is here, or 26. I have a $1 placeholder. And it's just making the envelope look a little janky, but okay, that should be good. All right, Costco. Let's see what we could do for Costco. Costco, and I know this conversation is all over the place. It's all over the place, okay? So 10, 20, 30, and 40. So let's do a 20 and 210 and put these back. Okay, so that should be good. It looks like I'm going to end up with like, what, $500 worth of $5 bills. And that is crazy, but that also, I don't know why this is not cooperating. That shows you every little counts. Your girl was a little, like the start, I should say. The start was a little rough, but I just kept on pushing on. So I could do that. Yeah, I just kept on going. And I was like, you know what? $5 is all I can stuff. So $5 is all that I'm going to stuff. And that is why I have so much $5 bills over here. But that is just, you know, my budgeting testimony. So 10, 20. Okay. I think this is it. Yeah, this one kind of finishes up. And listen, these envelopes are just doing too much. Or maybe it's just me. All right, so my lifestyle binder is done. What else can I do? I think I could do my self-care. I did high priority lifestyle. I won't touch my save-in challenge, whatever is there. I'm just going to leave it like that. Let me just see if I could go in quickly and do my self-care. I think it's pretty good. Or maybe I could take 2 10s and put a 20, another 210 and put another 20. Okay. So that is good. Let me see what I could do for my hair envelope. So I got 5, 10, 15, and 20. And I think I'll just put 2 10s in that one. Okay. Nails. Oops. Let's put that there. Let's do our nails. And y'all, I've been doing my own nails. The struggle has been real, but I'm just loving the whole experience of just, you know, having some me time and doing my own nails. So 20, I'll put 2 10s. That gives me 25. I find it really easy to do my left nails because I'm right-handed as opposed to doing my right nails. Like the left one always looks a little bit more decent, and then the right one is just, it's just doing what it's doing. They are cousins, not twins. They don't look the same. All right, going into beauty, and beauty has 10, 20, and we'll go ahead and just put 2 10s in here. And it is so windy outside. I apologize if you guys could hear the wind. The wind is just doing too much right now, but I still wanted to make this video, so we're just gonna make the video despite all the obstacles around us. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. 10, 20, 30. Okay, so I'll do the last 20 and then a 10, and that will condense it some. Next up is my glasses. That's new. It only has 10. Gym is also new. It only has 10. Date night is not new, so let's go in there and see what we could do for that. Okay, so that'll stay 10 and 20, so I'll just put 2 10s there, and that gives me 30 into date night. Okay, and that is it for condensing. And look at all the 5s. Look at, okay, look at this. This is about, what, $400 in $5 bills. That's what came out of these envelopes. I just kept on going little by little, cash stuff in $5, and this is 400. Yeah, this is about, no, $480 worth of $5 bills. And this would make it into the 100. So 80, 90, and another 100. Yeah, so don't be discouraged if $5 is all you have. If you're Canadian, or if it's $2 that you have, just keep stuffing, because eventually you will get to where you need to. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Until next time, bye y'all.